Hello, I'm John Wright here at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to check out a new 2024 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. Beginning here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the white Mercury 200 V6. Great match for this boat. Large swim platform. When you step into the cockpit, you've got a great storage compartment for all your beach gear. Also storage for your bow and cockpit table. As you move up into the cockpit, you see this boat is equipped with the stone interior. You have the sports tower, which does fold forward. You have the twin captain's chairs. Moving up to the port side, you have a pump out head toilet. And then over on the starboard side at the helm, you've got your Simrad chart plotter, Fusion stereo, Mercury digital throttle with active trim. Moving up into the bow area, you've got Fusion speakers. You also have the place here for your bow table to mount and anchor locker all the way forward. Well, again, my name is John Wright. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call 910-256-8100 and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.